Welcome to Mahabal Enviro Engineers Private Limited, your trusted partner in environmental solutions. Today, we are diving into one of India's strongest pillars, the cement industry. Building construction. It builds our homes, bridges, schools, even the roads we walk on. But behind the strength, there's a responsibility to care for our environment. Let's explore how. Cement is like magic dust. It's a fine powder made mostly from limestone, clay, and gypsum. When mixed with water and sand or gravel, it becomes concrete, the backbone of buildings. From your school bench to giant dams, cement is everywhere. India is the second largest cement producer in the world, after China. Why is it so important? It contributes over 7% to India's GDP from the industrial sector. It employs over 2 million people directly and indirectly. It is crucial for infrastructure, urbanization, and development. It supports railways, highways, airports, and even smart cities. India produces over 380 million tons of cement per year. But cement isn't just strong, it's also a heavy polluter. Here's how it affects the environment. Air pollution: dust, nitrogen oxide, sulfur oxide, and high carbon dioxide emissions. Water usage: huge volumes for cooling and mixing. Mining impact: limestone quarrying disturbs ecosystems. Cement manufacturing contributes nearly 8% of global carbon dioxide emissions. India is working hard to reduce this. To monitor and reduce pollution, industries must track PM, particulate matter, should be less than 30 milligrams per nanometer cube, stack emission. Carbon dioxide emissions around 0.7 to 0.9 tons per ton of cement. Sulfur oxide and nitrogen oxide strict limits apply as per CPCB guidelines. Noise levels must follow noise pollution rules. Water discharge as per CPCB general standards. Waste heat recovery and alternative fuels encouraged. Cement industries in India follow several environmental rules. Environment Protection Act, 1986. Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act, 1981. Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act, 1974. Hazardous Waste Management Rules. CPCB Guidelines for Cement Plants. Bureau of Indian Standards, BIS, for product quality. What's happening today? India aims to become a net zero emission economy by 2070. Cement plants are adopting waste heat recovery systems, WHRS. Green cement brands are rising, reducing up to 30 to 40% carbon dioxide. Use of industrial waste like fly ash and slag is growing. India's leading cement groups like Ultratech, ACC, Dalmia are part of low-carbon initiatives. Government is supporting through schemes like Perform, Achieve, Trade, PAT, under BEE. The cement industry is building India, but it must build responsibly. At Mahabal Enviro Engineers Private Limited, we help industries stay compliant and green.